All right, so this one. Okay, so right off the bat, we see, if it's not a trinomial, by the way, so we're looking at a binomial, and that's fun. But I see the first term here, the t is cubed, power of 3. So yeah, we're looking for the, in this case, the difference of cubes, right? So let's look at the formula once again, because that was great. So we're looking for an a. It's minus, right? So we got minus b in the first binomial, and then everything else is plus. So that's nice too. But that was a squared plus, I think I can do better a than that. A squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so all I got to do is figure out what value a is and what value b is, plug them in, and then I can feel good about it.
Now, how did you know that?
All right, so yeah, what's my a value first? So again, we look here for this first term. What would have been cubed? It would have just been t right here. You could say 1t if you want. I know I did that on one of the other problems, but the a's, okay, so these a values, I'm just going to replace with a t, all of the a's. Now, the second one, by the way, looks like I replaced the b with the t. I'm just kind of setting it up for the future so that the number that I'm going to be putting in there should be the coefficient, but we'll see. Okay, so there's that, and then the minus sign just tells us what operations to use. But again, what is cubed from the 1? It's 1. 1 to the power of 3. Be careful, some students are like 1 times 3 is 3. Yeah, 1 times 3 is, but 1 times 1 times 1, that's 1 cubed, that's 1. So, as it turns out, right? As many times as you want. Well, B, that means is, yeah, as many times. I feel like you were having a little bit of fun with that. Probably more than you should. Or not, or whatever. So that's, we gotta, and don't forget your squares at this point, right? So this is now not simplified the way that I have it. I'm talking about this one squared. Expect when you put this into the formula that it's not usually going to be a 1. Like if it was 2, you had 2 squared, you need to make that a 4, but one squared is still 1. So I kind of get away with just ending it right there. And it's good.